I'm Granny the Explorer, and I'm going to teach you about nature. Come with me.
Well, what do you call that thing, Granny?
Well, Sonny, I call that the porn star of the jungle because they love nuts. Russ, what is that?
I think that's poop, Grandma.
Yeah, that's poop. Not good. There's a lot of birds out here. If you call them quietly, they'll come.
I don't think they're coming.
These are leaves, also known as the dead children of the trees. Goodbye, my children. This is a mushroom, and I used to sell them in high school, and everyone was high as a kite. The best water in the world is fresh water.
Oh, gosh. Oh, I've been holding this in all day.
This is a vine, just like Tarzan swings on. Oh, did he have a body that he swung on? There's a lot of bears out here. You should always bring a grenade launcher to protect yourself. Bang, bang, dead bear. I'm not sure that these are poisonous, but always have someone else try them first. Hey, Ross.
Yeah. Oh, I'm starving. You got berries. Thank you, Grandma. Oh, my gosh. You know what? You're always there for me.
I'm trying.
These look delicious.
Uh-huh.
These aren't the poisonous
Woo!
ones, right?
Yeah, no. This tree is old and wrinkly, kind of like me, but I'm not dead. And the tree is dead. Those are turkeys, and I'd like to call them. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Ah, ah! Ow! 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 Ow!
Smoking too much weed, huh?
I think so. I think so.
Grandma, I just got these thorns in my hand. What should I do?
Don't be a pansy. Just drink some whiskey. If you see a dangerous animal, make sure you hide behind a tree.
What you doing, Granny?
I'm hiding.
Oh, I barely saw you.
These are rocks. I used to sell rocks, but not like these rocks. Crack rocks. That tree's dead inside, just like my ex who cheated on me.
Oh, no, Grandma. Someone's been littering out here.
If I catch you littering, I'll cut you up in pieces and make a stew out of you.
Isn't that a bit aggressive? Oh, gosh.
This is a stick, and I think it fell from the tree. I think it fell from this tree or this tree, but I'm not sure because I fell off my meds.
You fell off your meds?
Yeah. When it starts getting dark outside, that sucks. You're screwed.
Seriously?
That's all, folks. I hope you learned about nature today. And now it's time to go and get drunk.
No.